Located less than 10 miles from Dallas, Fort Worth International Airport, Dallas Marriott Las Colinas provides a serene setting near Irving Convention Center. Socialize with loved ones or colleagues in our contemporary lobby. We provide complimentary Wi-Fi, comfortable furnishings and dining at Bistro Fiera. Take in picturesque lakeside views and a refreshing breeze from our outdoor terrace, where you can set off on a gondola ride. These sleek hotel rooms provide a modern retreat in Irving, Texas. Maximize your stay when you take advantage of 24-hour room service and premium cable channels. Great for groups, these spacious accommodations offer views of the lake. Guests can stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi access. Select Queen hotel rooms provide balconies with seating and views of the lake. For your morning coffee, then update your social channels while connected to our high-speed internet access. Providing plenty of space to host groups in Irving, select Queen hotel rooms feature 2 plush beds in addition to pull-out sofa beds. Equipped with pull-out sofa beds, these king rooms offer sophisticated style and modern comforts for travelers. Feel at home with a flat-panel TV and plush bedding. Set yourself up for success in a room with a city view. With ergonomic workstations and close proximity to Dallas, Fort Worth International Airport, it's easy to stay productive. Take in a panoramic view of the lake before getting some rest for your adventures around Irving. 24-hour room service and high-speed Wi-Fi access help enhance any visit. While viewing a panoramic lake view, our accommodating guest rooms provide a relaxing atmosphere with spacious floor plans and high-speed internet access. Many of our hotel rooms feature comfortable pull-out sofa beds to help you sleep additional guests with ease. Discover plenty of lighting and places to plug in. Plan on productivity thanks to the ergonomic workstations and high-speed Wi-Fi availability in each of our rooms and suites. In the mornings, wake up your senses from a private balcony with a lake view, or turn on the morning news on your flat-panel TV with premium cable channels. Spacious guest bathrooms provide complimentary bath products, plush towels and walk-in showers. Accessible bathrooms provide plenty of ways to freshen up with ease. Discover wide doorways and an assortment of conveniently placed handrails. Enjoy the comforts of home, host a small event or gather the family in our luxurious hospitality suites that offer extra space and privacy. A home-like living area awaits in our spacious hospitality suites with lake views and premium cable access. Offering seating for 8, this dining area provides a place to enjoy our 24-hour room service with friends or colleagues. Upgrade to a room with access to our concierge lounge, providing complimentary breakfast and non-alcoholic beverages. Enjoy a complimentary breakfast, meet up with colleagues or simply unwind with panoramic lake and city views at our concierge lounge. Order one of our handcrafted cocktails, sophisticated wines or refreshing beers at our lobby bar. We provide a relaxed setting for you to socialize with friends or colleagues. Maintain an active lifestyle at our Irving Hotel and go for a refreshing swim in our indoor pool.